This is Carlos and Liana's instructional video on how to make a Cat5 Ethernet cord. These are the materials needed. You're going to need a Cat5 cable. You're going to need two RJ45 Ethernet plugs. You're going to need a wire splitter. And you're going to need a crimper. Here are all the materials visible and ready. You have your Cat5 cable. You have your crimper. And you have your RJ45 plugs. Now with your Cat5 cable, you want to cut it to the length that is necessary for you. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your splitter and you want to cut it about 1 inch away to reveal the inner wires. You want to do it in a slight circular motion so that way it'll cut right through and you can just pull it right off. You want to be careful not to cut or snip the inner wires. So don't squeeze it too hard. This is what will be visible on the inside. There's 8 wires twisted in 4 pairs. You want to untwist them all. This is how they look now. Now you want to put them into a specific color sequence. The first wire is the green striped. The second is the solid green. The third is the striped orange. The fourth is the solid blue. The fifth is the striped blue. The sixth is the orange, the solid orange. Okay. The seventh is the striped brown. And the eighth is the solid brown. After you arrange the wires, you want to make sure that they're pretty close together so that way it slides right into the plug easily. Now what you want to do is you want to take your splitter and you want to cut the top so that each wire is even with one another to make it easier to slide right into the plug. Now they're even. You want to keep the wires flat and in order as you push them into the RJ45 plug with the flat surface of the plug on top. You can tell if all the wires made it into the jack and maintain their positions by looking at the head-on of the plug. You should be able to see a wire located in each hole. Now you want to take the crimper and you want to slide it right through. And you want to give the handle a firm squeeze. You should hear a racketing noise as you continue. You want to pull on it and make sure that they're securely fit and tight. Now you want to do the same thing on the other side. So one plugs into the Ethernet jack and one plugs into your computer. This is what your finished product should really look like. Two sides completely fastened with the RJ45 plug. And that's how you make your Ethernet cord.